are pleased to show you the 2015 Town & Country. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, touring suspension, traction control, stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, audio, rear, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, too. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.